In this lesson we're going to go ahead and create our emitting plane geometry, or our light sources for our scene, so we can go ahead and render here. So what I want to do is just go ahead and here under the polygon shelf and create a simple polygon plane, and let's just bring it out and go ahead and move it up. Going to my personal shelf here, and I just choosing to show the face normals so I know which direction that the light's actually going to be emitting from or emitting to. Since the face normal here is pointing up, what I want to do is just go ahead and rotate this towards the light source, or towards our product. That should be fine. Once I go ahead and move this up, put it here, and say move this back there, rotate a little more that way, so it's actually going to look like it's going to hit the jelly bean source. Okay, and then we're going to go, I'm just going to press down here so I can get to the shape node, or you can go over to your outliner, and since our polygon plane's here, and then just go ahead and rename it to, say, light 1. So now whenever I go ahead to duplicate this, it's going to create light 2, light 3, light 4, and so on. So let's go ahead and just hit Control D to duplicate it. Gonna rotate this, say, back in X direction to what would be, you know, at least straight up and down, and just rotate it in our Y direction so it's that way, and then rotate it again to be right there, and then just do the same here, but I'm just gonna scale it in X to -1. But since it didn't change, I'm just gonna go ahead and rotate that. That's because I didn't freeze the transformations or anything on it. That's okay. And then just duplicate this one more time. So straight up and down, rotate it so our face normal is actually pointing towards our product. Go ahead and do that. As you can see, that's light 4. Now these last two plane sources that I'm going to create are going to be some special light sources. These are going to be neon light sources, so I can add a little bit of glow to our render. So I'm just going to create this, put this down, and say, like, right there. We gotta aim it a little more, and I think that's okay. And if I go ahead and put the camera here, yeah, we won't see it, so that's fine with me. So let's go ahead and make sure we got everything right here, and we have our light plane emitter set up.